Baby Bus!
Mini episode on safety. Woof!
Come here, little Piggums. The water is so cool.
Oh no! Someone is drowning! Great Donkey, let's save her! Go!
Wait, little Piggums! Great Donkey! Leave it to me! You guys go find someone to call emergency services.
Thank you, Officer Doberman. If it weren't for you, I would have been a goner.
Hey now, it's nothing. Little Piggums, Great Donkey, you guys have a huge heart. Your desire to help is so admirable. But you are too young to save someone from drowning.
But...
Dobie is right. Time to learn safety with Sheriff Labrador. Little Piggums, Great Donkey, you know what? Plunging into the water to save someone who is drowning will actually put you in danger if you don't know how to use the correct method to save them. Boys and girls, if you see someone drowning, you should immediately shout for help, ask a nearby adult to come and help, or call 911. Before we wrap up today's episode, let's send a huge happy birthday to all our amazing May birthday listeners. A special shout out to Jaden, Sarah Zahn, thank you for letting me be a part of your mealtime. Lily's friend Mei Shun and Thelfel, Smachuka's mom, Madam Mardigan's dad, Carter, Patrick, Viviana, Erica, Hoon Enna, Elliot, David, Kareen, Anna Elia's daughter, Marcine, Kira Tan, Lego Master's dad and his friend Karsten, Janelle, Li Xiaofeng Nathan, thank you for sharing safety tips. Happy birthday, Deputy Nathan. Mateo, DJ Beck 77's daughter, Nathan Sim, Levi, Kyle, Theodore's mom, Alyssa Chua, Sebastian, Mason, Kana Eden's mom, James Rice, Marcine, Nathania Santoso's friend, Chrissy, Simon the Best, Avery Madden, Jacob's mom Nicole, Scood 2's little sister, Ari, Story Gem's mom, Amelia and Landon in Budapest, Hungary, Alexis, happy birthday to each of you. Thanks for being such a fantastic part of our podcast family. I'm so touched to see all your sweet messages from family and friends. You're the ones making May unforgettable.